In this video, I'm going to show you a fast formula trick to find the center of a conic from your general equation without completing the square. And it works for circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas, but not for parabolas. Not for parabolas. Your formula is going to be when you have ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Your center is h of k. H is equal to negative d over 2a, and k is equal to negative e over 2c. And this comes from how completing the square, it shifts the graph. So let's do an example. Let's say we have a problem like this. So for this problem, let's identify what our coefficients are. So we can see that in question 1, a is equal to 1, c is equal to 1, d is equal to negative 6, e is equal to 8. Now, we can find h. Now we can find k. And that's 3 negative 4. Same as how we got with completing the square. Now for 2, we can see here that this is an ellipse, so it'll work. So here our a is equal to 4, our c is equal to 9, our d is equal to negative 16, and our e is equal to 36. So for our h, that would be negative 16, 2 times 4, 16 over 8, that's equal to 2. K is equal to negative 36 over 2 times 9, that's equal to negative 2, and that's equal to 2 negative 2, which matches. Now, the reason why this equation works is because this is for an equation with an x squared, a y squared, and without an xy. And that is including circles, ellipses, and hyperbolas, but not a parabola, because a parabola is going to not meet that condition. And also, you can think of how the center is equal to 1/2 the linear coefficients with opposite signs. So for example, if you think about x squared minus 6x, you can think of 6, you can find half of negative 6 over 2 is equal to 3. So y squared plus 8y. Also, we can think of 8 as half of 8, that's going to be 8 over 2, that's going to be your 8 is going to be, instead, it's going to be negative 4 instead of just positive 2. So that means that your center is going to be equal to 3 negative 4. Negative 4, like in this. So let's actually bring that up there. So this first component is the x squared minus 6x, and then the y squared plus 8y is the y squared 8y, and that's how we got our answer.